Hi there, welcome to AltTester. In this video, we will show you how to enable and use secure mode with Secure WebSocket in AltTester. WebSockets are essential for real-time communication between your test scripts and the application under test. However, standard WS communication is not encrypted, which makes it vulnerable to interception. WSS, or Secure WebSocket, solves this by encrypting all communication. This ensures that data such as commands, game objects, or screenshots exchanged during testing are protected, an important consideration when working with sensitive game assets or user data. By default, AltTester Desktop runs with secure mode disabled. To enable it, a valid TLS certificate must be configured on the server. Keep in mind that Secure WebSocket support is available only for AltTester SDK, non-GPL, and requires a Pro or Enterprise license. This functionality is also available for games and applications instrumented with AltTester Unreal SDK. In AltTester Desktop, we navigate to Settings, where we can load the AltTester Server certificate. Here, we provide the path to a valid certificate and its corresponding password. Once a valid certificate is loaded, secure mode is automatically enabled, and the built-in AltTester server starts using secure communication. Next, let's configure the instrumented application. Secure mode can be enabled either from the Unity editor before building the app or directly from the protocol dropdown in the AltTester pop-up. When enabled in the Unity editor, the application launches with WSS already selected. Because the server is already configured for secure communication, the application will connect to the AltTester server using WSS. To establish a secure connection from the test side, we initialize the alt driver using the secure mode parameter. By setting secure mode equals true in the alt driver constructor, the test bindings will connect using WSS instead of WS, consistent with the secure configuration of both the server and the instrumented application. With all components configured consistently, we can now run the test. The test executes successfully over a secure WebSocket connection, confirming that end-to-end encrypted communication is correctly established. It's important that both the SDK and the server are configured consistently. Secure mode must be enabled on both sides for the connection to succeed. For local testing, WS may still be sufficient, as it is simpler and slightly faster. However, for CI pipelines or remote environments, WSS is strongly recommended to ensure secure encrypted communication. And that's it. You've successfully configured secure WebSocket communication in AltTester from end to end. Whether you're running tests locally or in a CI pipeline, secure mode gives you the confidence that your test data stays protected throughout the entire session. For more information on licensing requirements, certificate setup, Unity/Unreal SDK support, visit the AltTester documentation or reach out to our team. Thanks for watching and happy testing!